Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you what you can make using a resistor. This video will be very helpful for beginners in electronics. So let's start the video. First of all, what is a resistor? A resistor is an electronics component used to control the flow of current. It works like a speed breaker of electricity. A resistor has four main functions. It limits current, divides voltage, protect components and control signals. There are different types of resistors. Fixed resistor and variable resistor are most common. Resistors are used in almost every electronics device. They are used in LED circuit, charger, radios, TVs and amplifiers. Now let us see what project we can make using a resistor. LED circuit. You can make a LED light circuit using a resistor. Voltage divider. A resistor can be used to divide voltage. A variable resistor is used to control volume. You can check resistor value using a multimeter. Always use the correct resistor value. Today we learned what a resistor is and what we can make using it. Thank you so much friend. See you in the next video.